Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run, well, we're back here looking at coins, and this time we're looking at this particular coin set, which is the 30th anniversary of the Wiggles. Now this is a 2021 set, and the remarkable thing about this particular coin set of the Wiggles basically is that these coins are 30-cent coins. Now normally we have 20 cents and 50-cent coins here in Australia and 10-cent coins, but we've never had a 30-cent coin, and there's actually two in this box. Now if I flip it over this side, it's got some information about the actual Wiggles and the fact on how long it's been going and how many CDs and DVDs they've done, which is quite cool. And next, if I open it up, you can see that you've got the two coins presented there, but on the inside of this tin you've also got the information about the coins, and this is a 50,000 mintage, and that they are 30-cent coins, and it also tells you the material that they've used in these coins. And that's quite neat that they've actually included quite a nice picture inside the lid too, which I think is pretty cool. Now coming to the two coins, these are kind of special in the fact that they are two 30-cent coins. It's something you don't normally see, and the fact that we've actually got these two 30-cent coins is quite a neat little thing they've done. So if you're a fan of the Wiggles, or you want to collect coins, this is a bonus for both of those because it's pretty neat. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.